welcome to Maker Monday at the Independence Public Library. Today we are putting together a decorative craft ball. What you'll need is a kit from the library, a straight edge of some kind, a glue stick, some markers or crayons, colored pencils if you choose, and some stickers if you want. Start the recording again when you're ready. Inside your Maker Monday kit, there should be 8 circles that have a line imprinted on them. With each one of these circles, what we want to do is fold those edges up. That's what I like the straight edge for. It helps to keep a nice, even fold. Okay. The fold looks like, I don't know if you can, the fold is right there. Do the best you can with folding it. Make sure and fold all 8 circles. When you're finished with that, start the recording. Once you have all of your circles folded, if you want to put your own creative design in the middle of that triangle, go ahead and now would be the time to do it. If you have a sticker or two and you'd like to put those in there, that's fine. Or maybe you'd like to write your own name or a special message, or just draw something special, like, I don't know, maybe a nice sunshine. Or maybe just a nice happy face. Or like I said, stickers if you have them and you want to. You don't have to put anything in them. Maybe you have a special picture you'd like to put on them. Okay, once you've done decorating, if you choose to, our next step is to start to glue these together. So I grabbed some paper to put down underneath where I'm going to glue. Sometimes I get a little messy. Okay, our first step is to just take one of our circles. I'm going to add some glue to one of the edges. Okay, we'll grab another circle. We want to keep all of our folds going the same direction. So these, I want to put 2 of these together, match them up the best you can. Okay, so that they're kind of matched like that. They should look like that on the inside. Okay, now we want to add another circle. Oh, let's add an orange one this time. We want to keep all of our flaps going the same way. So we're going to add to this orange one right here. Just line it up the best you can. There. So now you have something that looks kind of like that. Okay, so now we're going to add our 4th circle to that. This time, on these 2 flaps, we want this to go like this. I'm going to put glue on those 2. Okay. So there again, I want to match my sides up the best I can. So now we're going to make kind of a little hat looking kind of thing. 4 of your circles together should look something like that. Okay, now if you want to go ahead and take your other 4 circles and do the same thing with those, then we'll go ahead and stick the 2 of them together. Go ahead and start the tape again when you've completed the other half of the circle. At this point, you should have 2 kind of hat looking kind of things. We're going to glue them together to make our little decorative ball. Okay. So what I do is take one of the flaps on one of the sides. We're going to start gluing these together. All right, so we want to put these 2 together, and like I said, match them up the best you can. Okay. Okay, then go on to the next one. Okay, then the next one. As you get further along here, it's a little harder to lay them down, but you can still get some glue stick on there. And then the 4th side, right here. And there we go. You have completed your creative ball. As an option, you could possibly have Mom or Dad poke a small hole in the top of it, run a string, and maybe hang it in your window so it could blow around in the breeze a little bit. Or if you've added plenty of decorations, maybe you want to put it on your table. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure and clean up after yourself, as always. We hope to see you again in the public library very soon. Thank you. Some new books we have at the public library are I Don't Want to Be Big by Dev Petty, Norman Didn't Do It, Yes He Did, by Ryan T. Higgin, Spring is for Strawberries by Catherine Pryor, and Animals Go Vroom by Abby Cushman. Thank you for joining us today. We do hope to see you soon. Bye now.